creamy mushroom carbonara or creamy mushroom pasta. This is so perfect. Even without bacon, it still tastes so good, and without guanciale, it's still good. So this is vegetarian friendly because it's zero meat. So let's start. Here we have about 2 packs of spaghetti noodles, which is about 800 grams, one piece of red bell pepper, some onions, and creamer. Recipe will be in the description below. So let's start. All right, now we heat up the oil. Yes. Just regular oil. You can use olive oil, which is really good. Now we start with the onions. We saute this. We get it all cooked really good. Alright. Okay, there. Now we mix it a bit. Just make sure everything is all getting cooked equally and evenly, of course. So make that good. There you go. That's getting good. Yes. Alright. And now that's getting warmed up and really getting cooked really good. So now we put the mushrooms, the buttered mushrooms which we sliced. We make sure this gets cooked really good, not overcooked, but just cooked really good. This way, the taste of the oil and even the onions is gonna be so good. This is what replicates almost the taste of bacon. Is gonna be so good here, and this has zero meat, so this is good. Yes, now we mix it well again. Make sure everything is tossed in, like oiled up, so it's good. Alright, we'll let it sit for a moment, for a while, for a few minutes. And now it's getting there. We'll make a divot here in the middle. For the garlic, you see the oil boiling up really good. This is about 3 or 4 crushed garlic. That's okay, that's enough. Mix it a bit further. Yes. Oh, now it's starting to smell really good. Mix it gently and good. Alright. Yes. Okay, now we let it sit for a moment, let it cook and simmer. Here we're about to start boiling the pasta so that this way it's gonna be on time. Okay, now as it cooks some more, we keep frying it. You know, it's gonna start tasting good, even better. But make sure you keep mixing it this way it doesn't burn up some areas. Oh, it's looking good and it's smelling really good. The onion, the garlic, the mushrooms, and now here, crushed black pepper. We season it. And then this one, basil leaves, dried basil. We pour it on the side here because if you do it in the middle, it'll steam up. The steam will enter the bottle and it's gonna make the basil stick together. All right, and then dried oregano, still on the sides. All right, that's about enough. Now we mix it good. Yes. Because if you pour the dried basil, the bottle, or the oregano right in the middle where it steams up, trust me, from experience, they will clump up. The steam will get in the bottle, so that's no good. Oh, it's smelling really good now. All right. Let it sit for a while. It looks good. Starting to get really good cooked and fried. So this is gonna be perfect right now. Now we toss in the diced red bell pepper. This is for aroma. This is just for garnish. It's optional. You don't have to put them. You can actually put green onions, but hey, we had the red bell pepper, so we use that. It's for garnish and for the aromatics. It smells really good like this. As the bacon is, sorry, as the mushrooms are fried, it's really good. Okay, now it's time to put about 250 grams of total of creamer. These 2 small packs is 125 grams each, and then the other bigger, the last one is gonna be 250, so it's all total to 500 grams of creamer. Whole cream, all right. The big, this one, yes. Oh, it's starting to sizzle really good, right? All right, there you go. Okay, now we mix it. Yes, it's starting to. We lower the heat so don't start burning up the creamer. Because this thickens up really, really fast. So now we move to low heat. This way it doesn't get dried up or thickens way, way too fast. All right. Now we can start putting the pasta water, about 2 scoops. That's it. Because you can see it's really, really thick now, right? Okay, now the pasta is good. We start putting it on the sauce here. You can rinse it. I mean, you can make sure it's all dried up, but we don't really mind this sauce like this. It's gonna be perfect. And plus, the pasta water has a bit of salt, so we don't need to put any salt on this one. So we mix it a bit more. There's a few more left, but we're gonna start mixing this. This way, it's gonna be easier to mix all together. Oh, would you look at that? That looks really, really good, right? Yep. Mix it some more. It's a little harder to mix it, but you have to be gentle and just be patient, and it's gonna be all good. Now we can put the rest of the pasta. There you go. There's still a bit more. All right. Yes. Now we're gonna mix this. Oh, look at that. This is a good lunch, a good dinner, any time of the day. This is perfect. As is, or even with garlic bread, this is perfect. And remember, this has zero meat, it's just mushrooms, so this is a vegetarian friendly meal. Perfect. You can also click here for the other pasta that we did, so, but would you look at that? This looks really, really good. Oh yeah, I can have this all for myself. Yes. And of course, thanks for watching. If you haven't subscribed, subscribe. This way you can view all the uploads we have the next time we put